Searching for replacement parts can be challenging and in many cases more expensive when purchased individually. The good news is we've got the perfect grill kit that comes with everything you need for your 1971 and 72 Chevelle or El Camino at a discounted price. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1971 and 72 Chevelle and El Camino grill kits. The 1971 complete kit includes the center grill reproduction, 3 long horizontal moldings, 2 outer E moldings, 2 headlight bezels for Deluxe models, while 1972 includes the center grill, 4 long horizontal moldings pre-installed, 2 long horizontal moldings SS, and 2 headlight bezels for Deluxe kit only. Our grills are manufactured from injection molded plastic. Non-SS vehicles come with the silver grill, while SS comes with the black grill for 1971. Headlight bezels are stamped from aluminum, while the moldings are made from a roll-forming aluminum process and anodized for protection. All parts use case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. At the end of production, the headlight bezels are finished with a brilliant chrome plating. You'll be sure to impress others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.